Welcome to Luxe RV Resorts, a site dedicated to reviews on the finest luxury RV parks throughout the United States. We appreciate you joining us in our new endeavor. I am Susan, and along with my husband Thomas, we are a retired couple living on the California Central Coast. Shortly after we retired, we purchased our first RV motorhome, a 24-foot Class C Mercedes Sprinter. We enjoy all styles of camping, whether it be a state park, boondocking, or, as we've discovered, a great luxury RV resort. We have really come to enjoy the luxury RV parks, and we now make it a point to try to include them in our travel itinerary. However, in our previous search for luxury RV resorts, we often failed to find any comprehensive and reliable resources for what we considered true luxury RV resorts. So we decided that we would fill this void and develop a site dedicated to sharing the finest luxury RV parks located throughout the U.S. for all class sizes, not just motor coaches. Our reviews are based on a set standard of requirements given a sliding scale score for all different aspects of the property. Because there are so many factors that define a property, this is something we will address in detail in a future video. As a disclaimer, many of these resorts will most likely offer kid-friendly amenities, and we will address that. But our focus on this site is going to be on the luxury aspect and amenities of the RV resort that caters to adults. We will continually be populating the website with new reviews on exciting Luxe RV properties. Being West Coast based, our featured properties in the beginning will most likely be located within the Western U.S. But as we continue to travel, the property reviews will expand throughout the United States. We appreciate you being patient with us as we develop this site, and we would be so grateful for your support by following, sharing, and subscribing to our Instagram account, YouTube channel, and website. You will be able to contact us through any one of these mediums. The links are listed below. In summary, we're excited to introduce you to Luxe RV Resorts, your new resource for discovering true luxury RV parks. We hope you join us in this endeavor, and we thank you in advance for your support.